Hello everybody, this is Dino here. I'm here today to promote my Minelab metal detector rain covers and touchpad and screen protector covers. I'll start with the CTX3030 cover. This is a military grade lightweight ripstop nylon cover with a clear vinyl see-through front, which you can access all of your function buttons and everything through it. It attaches with a simple elastic band. Keeps that touchpad and screen looking like brand new. These I sell for $14.99 on eBay, $2.50 shipping and handling. And just recently I came up with the Velcro attachable sun visor, which everybody that hunts with a Minelab metal detector knows of glare issues with the Minelabs. This works very well most times of the day. When the sun is directly overhead, I don't think there is anything that'll help. But most times of the day, this blocks out the sun real good. I got real tired of cupping my hand over the screen to see what my target was. The CTX3030 cover with sun visor I sell for $24.99, free shipping and handling. We'll move on to the Etrac. Etrac, same material, access to all your function buttons. This is a waterproof cover. Cover alone is $14.99 plus $2.50 shipping and handling. Cover with Velcro attachable sun visor is $24.99, free shipping and handling. I put this one together this way to show you my sun visor that I sell separately. You can buy the sun visor by itself for $9.95, free shipping and handling, and it attaches with a elastic band. Just simply slip it over the arm cuff and stand. It goes right over the control housing. That's for those of you who have already bought the covers. Sits up there real nice, provides good sun blockage. And Etrac cover with the Velcro attachable sun visor I sell for $24.99, free shipping and handling. I also sell the Xterra covers. These will fit all Xterras. All Xterra models have an opening for the coil cable there, an opening for your headphone door, and same lightweight durable material. Oh, by the way, the Etrac cover will fit all Explorer models, the Quattro and the Safari also. Now I've also come up with a cover for the WM10. The WM10 is not waterproof, and if you're anything like me, if I'm out and I'm hunting and I find a hot spot and it starts raining, I don't want to quit. Demonstrate how I designed this to work with a straight headphone cord or an angled headphone cord. Real simple. Simply push the headphone cord into the cover first, pull it out through the bottom, hook it up, bring it back up into the cover, put the flaps over the bottom, and you're protected. For the angled headphone cord, the top simply folds over and attaches down with Velcro. There it is for the angled cord. Now I can demonstrate for the straight cord. I've attached a 2-inch wide belt loop to the back, and it's wide enough to accommodate up to 2.5-inch belt. Now I have specially made these to attach. I can put Velcro on there for you. I even cut an opening in the back for a guy so he could put the whole belt clip and everything inside and slip the belt loop out through the back and clip it up that way. Just email me with any suggestions or anything you'd like to see. If it's feasible, I'll give it a shot, send you some photos, and we'll go from there. These sell for $19.99, $2.50 shipping and handling. Alright, that's how it's going to be with the straight headphone cord. The cord simply loops up into the top here a little bit and then comes out your side hole. Those are my products. I appreciate you watching the video. I sell these on eBay under the username NuffStuff3032, and I will attach my email to this video so you can email me. I will send them out. If you have a PayPal account, I have sold them. If you send a postal money order, I won't send them out until the money order clears, but the thing is, I like to do everything from my home. That's why I like PayPal. I can print postage and everything online. Again, thanks for watching, and happy hunting.